Hey Glam fam, I am so proud to announce that 2023 is going to be another year of me using Banish. If you've watched my channel, you know how much Banish has improved my skin. It has helped me so much with acne. It has helped me so much with just improving my overall complexion. Banish is definitely something that you want to check out if you are suffering from any type of skin issues. Okay, Banish has you covered, and I will make sure that I leave Banish listed down below, especially if you want your skin to be on fleek in 2023, honey. They say how you start the year is how you're going to finish the year. So if you want to start 2023 off with some beautiful skin, honey, I suggest you go down below in the description box and check out that link. And hey, here is also a quick way to save some coins on your Banish, honey. You can use my code Maddie to save $5 off any purchase of $50 or more. We want to be radiant and beautiful, not only with our personalities and not only with the way that we feel, but also with our skin in 2023. That's all I wanted today, girl. I wanted to pop in and share this quick gem with you guys. I hope that everyone is safe on New Year's Eve as I am filming this, and also on New Year's Day, and I hope that your new year is filled with lots of blessings and with everything that you want and need throughout the year. Okay, and hey, no matter what, make sure that you always remember to keep glamming, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something bad.